10 बेड आईसीयू परियोजना केवल तकनीकी और ढांचे का उन्नयन नहीं है, यह एक संकल्प है। ऐसा संकल्प कि हमारे राज्य में कोई भी गंभीर मरीज केवल भौगोलिक दूरी की वजह से समय पर जीवन रक्षक उपचार से वंचित न रह जाए।
It is not possible to have specialists in every nook and corner of the state, or especially the Northeast, which faces a dearth of medical infrastructure as well as the medical personnel. So now this concept enables us to do monitoring, to provide hand-holding support.
I am extremely happy that this 10-bed ICU project is coming up with CSR support, because many of our remote locations which never had this facility are now going to have these advanced facilities.
The Tele ICU is another very important game changer in my view. There is always limitation in terms of specialist and super specialist manpower in the districts. So with the help of the Tele ICU, we can connect to the specialists who are posted here in Gangtok, and the patients in the districts and other remote areas of the state can get expert opinion from the specialists who are posted here through Tele ICU. So in that way we will be able to overcome the limitations of manpower in the districts.
The 10-bed ICU initiative works on a hub and spoke principle, where NHK is acting as the hub, and the doctors at the NHK have to play a very nodal and critical role.
जो दूर दराज के एरिया हैं वहाँ पे हम लोग हेल्थ सर्विसेज उपलब्ध करा पा रहे हैं।
With a lesser pool of human resources, and yet at the same time being able to provide good care to the patient side. It should in fact set a role model so that these kind of models can be replicated in other parts of the country as well as in other parts of the Northeast.
The doctors have to go beyond their normal duties to extend the services.
If the teleconsultation facility is strong enough to directly read the parameter, and if the consultant there is saying that okay, change this medicine, whether the doctor here who will be in conversation with the consultant agreeing, not agreeing, whether the nurse will directly take the order, whether the medicine which is referred by him is already in the stock and we can immediately pick it up. So all these protocols will also become part of that training, so that teleconsultation or remote management can also work through the same set of people without compromising the safety and quality.
This project will provide the much needed critical care services to all the district hospitals in the state.
तो ये एक चेंज हम लोग देख रहे हैं। जो पहले हम टेक्नोलॉजी बिल्कुल यूज़ नहीं कर रहे थे, हम टेक्नोलॉजी लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ कर रहे हैं। इसमें जो हम लोग एआई का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो ये बहुत सारे ऐसे बीमारियां हैं जिसको कि एआई का उपयोग करके हम लोग बहुत जल्दी उनकी जानकारी ले सकते हैं और लोगों का ट्रीटमेंट कर सकते हैं। तो दूसरा ये है कि प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर सेक्टर में भी हम लोग मूव कर सकते हैं, बीमारियों को जल्दी डिटेक्ट करें और फिर उसका इलाज करें।